Hey guys, it's me, Fattah, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to animate. This is suggested by my friends all around, so yeah, here we go. Here's what I recommend you to do. First things first, you can download an app on this is the mobile section, okay? So you can do this on Flip a Clip. It's a very good app. I've used it like in my third video in this channel. I don't know, but it was pretty cool, so I decided to make a tutorial on it. So when you open up the app, it comes with this, and these are other animations I've made with it. It comes with these two default ones that come with it. So first things first, you wanna go and press the plus button down here on the right hand side corner. Press it down there. Then you open up this. You can choose a background. You can choose like any big scenes that they have, or some paper here, patterns, others, or like solids. Like here, you can choose a solid, or you can choose from your photo library, or even you can capture it right now. So for now, I would like to choose the default ones right here, and you can change the canvas size. I like to choose YouTube 1080p, but that's a little large. But for standard, let's just choose with this YouTube 720p. You can choose the frames per second. It's basically how many frames per second. I mean, for an example, let's say 10 frames per second. For every 10 frames, that's 1 second. For it in default, it makes 12 frames per second. So every 12 frames, every frame is a picture. So every 12 pictures is 1 second. That's a lot fast. But regular animators, even me, I like to choose 24 frames per second because it's consistent and smooth. So that's basically the standard stuff. And you have to name your animation. Let's say line. I already have an animation called line. Well, let's go. Here it is. You click on the animation line on your projects. So here's what you open up here. Down here, you see like these boxes. It is basically your frames. Over here, you have the toolbar or something. You have the pen, the eraser, selection tool, bucket tool, or the text tool. Mainly, you're gonna really choose the pen tool because that's what you draw with. So you can draw it here, and I don't know if this has pressure sensitivity, but if you click on the pencil, you can. If you tap on your color biggie thingy, the square, you get to choose your colors. I like to choose black though. And if you drag it up and down the square, you can choose the transparency. But usually at standard, you will choose 100%. And the circle thing, this is the size. So in an example, the max is 150 pixels. So when I draw 150 pixels. So that's how the eraser, just basically when you draw, you erase it. And here you will notice that in the properties, they have this like fade in and out stuff. I like to choose it at 0% because it's more clean and more consistent. The bucket tool. The bucket tool has a different color from the pen. It's really annoying, but I can deal with it. I can choose the eyedropper or something. The basic ones up top here, you can choose the sketch ones, retro animations, sketches, old Japan sketches, fun sketch. You can choose whatever you want. There's a lot of them. Like over here, they show on the bottom. You have the eyedropper right here. You can choose the colors. Or you can choose it right here, right now. So like for my favorite colors, like this reddish, whitish, like the color of my hoodie. That's why I choose it. Boom. See, if you just click, it will fill anything. So if you do this, bucket tool, boom, there it is. I really like it because it doesn't show any white spots. And here on the top left, you can do, oh yeah, I forgot to mention on how to undo stuff. So if you draw and you mess up, use 2 fingers to tap and it will undo itself, like any drawing program or Procreate like I use. So on top here, you can draw like straight lines on the top or circles. So that's pretty cool. And here we have those paper stuff in the clipboard. We don't have to use that first. So when you zoom in and you want to see the whole drawing, you can press that zoom out button right there. And here you go. You're back at the standard view. So that's how you basically how. And if you click on the 3 dots, is like the more options, more advanced tools, but we'll not get into those at the moment. So yeah, let's animate stuff. So because this animation is called line, I'm gonna animate a line thingy. So let's say a line from here to here. So yeah, let's go. My size is gonna be about 25 or whatever that is, because it was pretty decent size. So first, let's animate a line here. It's pretty good. Here we go. Peek. There you go. So next, put another frame inside, which is that plus frame on the bottom. There we go. Now you can see there's a ghost version of the picture that you just made, and you can follow it like animations. So that's how I animate, and you can just go further. Like, so here we go. Let's do this. Let's go. Okay, so you can see that my line is now over here instead of over there. So let's see our animation. Whoa, that's pretty cool, right? So that's how you animate. Oh, you can also add in sounds. It's pretty epic. I really like it. So if you press here, you can add audio. For an example, to add an audio, you press the plus sign on the bottom, press it, and I usually choose the bottom, the microphone thing. But if you already have an audio, just click the top one. But for that, you need to get the premium one. Featured lock key. Hey, want to import your own audio? Watch your rewarded ad for pictures this feature. So basically you have to do that, but we won't get into those. Let's just click our microphone right here and record. Hold it to record. So let's just record like a hello sound. Hello. Like, let's press it up. Hello. So I want my audio to start right away, so let's trim it up. No. Okay, let's see now. Hello. Right now. Hello. That's pretty good. So let's press done up here. Let's drag it up right here. And there you go. So basically, the audio that is here, it's pretty fun to hear, but it's pretty annoying. So let's start animating. I'll animate to the very end. So yeah, time lapse of video editing. Proceed. Okay guys, that's pretty fast because the audio is so short. And here it is. Hello. And you can do some crazy lip syncing with these. I've seen some animators use this app and it's pretty cool. But yeah, sure, whatever. But there's still a problem with from my area, because when you want to export it, press here and press the 3 buttons. Oh wait, I have something else to show you. Look, if you go like any frame and you want to copy or paste it, first you have to select it with the selection tool right there and select your item, for an example our line, and press the two papers up there on the very top, like on the right, not at the corner. Let's just press it, and now you can see the clipboard is available. Hello. Choose a frame where you want to paste it. So let's make a new frame and paste it. Where you have to paste it, just press the clipboard and it's there. See, you can see it's the same exact stuff. So that's how I animate. If you want to play it, you can press the play button right beside here. Hello. And now let's export our animation. First, press the three dots up there. And then you can just ignore all of this. You can add a video, add an image, or if you want to export it, press make a movie. Press the make a movie. Let's go. And you can see the finalizers. You can choose the format. You can choose the filer thingy. You can name your movie. But here's the part where it gets a little annoying for us, because it has a big fat watermark at the bottom. No offense, developers, so I'm sorry if you're watching this. It will say on the bottom the duration, total frames, and frames per second. So it is, and if you're done, you can see over there a flip a clip watermark, and if you disable it, you have to purchase the premium feature, which is really unaffordable because it's really not that pricey. But if you want to buy it, go for it, bro. So yeah, when you're all done, let's make a movie. There it is. So when you get one chance to share it, ready to share your movie, let's share it right now. You can share it on YouTube, Facebook, save to my device. So for an example, or more right here, I like to choose it on my device. Just press save to my device, and there we go. There it is. Yahoo! So that's how you animate for all you youngsters who are trying to make an animation, and it's totally free. This video is not sponsored because they don't sponsor me. Anyway, that's how you animate, and I hope you guys can make cool animations. And tell me in the comments down below if you can animate, or you can find another app that will make new animations. So yeah, see you guys.